In this video, I'll be sharing few important tips related to honey. But before that, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you get the notifications of my latest videos. Namaskar. I'm Nutritionist Bhavani Swaminathan and welcome to Akanksha Desire for Wellness. We all know about the benefits of honey, but there are certain questions which are related to honey. Honey starts as flower nectar collected by bees, which gets broken down into simple sugars stored inside the honeycomb. The design of the honeycomb and constant fanning of the bees' wings causes evaporation, creating sweet liquid honey. Honey's color and flavor varies based on the nectar collected by the bees. After honey is extracted, it's strained to remove any remaining wax and other particles. There are few questions related to honey for which I'm going to share answers with you. The first and the most important question is, what is the difference between pure and adulterated honey, or how we can differentiate between pure and adulterated honey? So you need to just take a glass of water, drop 1 teaspoon of honey, and if the honey dissolves in water, that means the honey is adulterated. And if the honey settles down in the glass of water, it means the honey is pure. Because pure honey has more dense texture and will settle at the bottom of the glass as lump. Does honey expire? Pure honey does not go bad. Which honey is best? Unprocessed or raw honey is best. Can old honey make us sick? Honey is always safe to eat. If stored for a long time, it may become darker and lose aroma and flavor. It's not tasty or attractive, but there is no health risk. What happens if you eat honey every day? Honey is linked to health benefit. Best use of honey is to replace the other forms of sugar. Should honey be refrigerated? No, honey should not be refrigerated because it gets solidified. When should I eat honey? Morning empty stomach in warm water with lemon, and also bedtime with warm water. How much honey to be consumed every day? Ideally not more than 4 teaspoons of honey you should be consuming, because we are getting sugar from other sources too. Can honey be heated? No, honey should not be heated because it loses essential enzymes and nutrients. Cooking honey causes a negative chemical change. It tastes bitter. Since honey is similar to human blood and alkaline in nature, honey should not be heated. Honey is naturally made by nature, and these were few questions for which I have given the answer. So include honey in your diet and let's make our lives healthier and happier.